Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Metanoia. This is Mona Lisa, and for today's video, as promised, I brought you my chicken mushroom soup recipe. So without further ado, let's begin. For the broth, boil some chicken pieces with cut up onions and garlic and a little pinch of salt on medium flame for about 1 hour. After about 30 minutes, you are going to see a little bit of froth getting accumulated on top. Remove the froth with a spoon so you get a clear, fine chicken broth. Keep removing the froth until your broth looks like this. While the broth bubbles away, dice onions, garlic, and mushroom into small pieces. Next, in a container, add some oil and a little bit of butter and fry the onions and garlic until it becomes soft. Add the mushrooms and fry it until they look like this. Next, add 1 tablespoon flour and toss it around with the veggies. Separate the chicken pieces and the onions from the broth and add the broth after the flour gets mixed with the veggies. Stir and boil for about 20 minutes. And then add some milk to give the creamy whitish texture. You can also add cream if you want, but I wanted to keep it on a healthy side. Let it boil until you get a creamy soup. Next, let it cool down so that you can blitz it in a blender. Blitz 2/3 part of it and keep the remaining aside with the chunky goodness. And voila! Creamy chicken mushroom soup. Add a poached egg and some breakfast sausages and you're good to go. So if you liked my video, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment sections below if you want to watch more of these or any recommendations that you might have. And thank you for watching. Bye.